Hey guys, welcome to the Sassy Entrepreneur Show. This is Louise Julien, the Sassy Entrepreneur. And today we want to talk a bit about building relationships. We have as a guest with us here Mr. Montez McCamish, and I know he has some sizzling and scintillating questions for me on that particular topic. And I'm sure it's questions that you have on your mind as well.
A lot of people have a problem with doing it. You might speak a little bit on um, time and how you spend your time management.
Oh, that is super, super important. As you know, an online entrepreneur, you know, sometimes it can be hectic to do. And if you've never done online business and you decide, okay, I'm gonna start my business online, you're wondering to yourself, well, okay, how am I gonna work this out? Because I'm home, I'm in my PJs, the bed is right over there. I want to go to sleep. I don't want to work. Well, you gotta work. So you got to basically schedule out your time. What I like to do is, every Sunday I would sit down and say, okay, for this week, this is what I want to actually accomplish. Now, how do I do that? I need to break them up into smaller steps, right? So every day I would basically break those things on the steps, things that needs to be done consistently. They're gonna be scheduled at the same time every day going across. So I use like Google Calendar, or you could use, any type of scheduling, calendar of your choice. Schedule everything, break them down in the steps so I know, okay, 9 o'clock I do this, 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, okay, that's homeschooling time. I'm spending that with my kids, making sure they get their work done for today and so forth. Okay, 11 o'clock, all right, I need to work on my chatbot. I need to work on this. I need to work on that, right? And I just schedule it out throughout the day. I get reminders on my phone. Google send me reminders, tell me, hey, 11 o'clock, you have to do this. 12 o'clock, you have to do that. Make sure, of course, to schedule in your breaks in there and your lunch, because we got to eat, right? You can't work with an empty stomach. The brain needs food to work.